baba.
How are you? Okay. I know you don't want to get the bus. I'm sitting in my head. My mouse? Yeah. I don't have presents. This one.
Panahon dito mga kaibigan, no? So, ang dami pa rin mga tao ngayon dito. Ayan. Yung iba, kararating lang. Kishana, dito lang sa ano, nak. Kararating lang yung iba. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung iba, kararating lang. At saka yung iba, paalis. Goy? Oh, ito na ang ating ano, lagyan natin ng mga lalagay na natin yung ating mga gamit. Goy, wait lang. Ah, okay. Sige, sakay na doon kay tulungan ko si ano. Sakay na si Ate Agoy-Agoy doon, oh. Diyan ka lang muna, Kids Junior, ha? Oy, ano natin. We're gonna lay down this, ano. Kasi ang stroller pala natin. Ito. Can you insert this to next to that thing? So it does, we have room for the stroller. Okay. You wanna put the stroller first? Or this bag first?
CJ, we're gonna put that over there.
Oh, that's right.
He got his milk.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Ilagay pala ito sa may gatas sa Siege. Uy. Para maabot ang gatas. Para maabot ang gatas ni Junior mamaya.
Yeah, push were easy for you to get to.
All right. Okay, I got him.
You got him? Okay.
I got him. Go, you have your seat belt?
Yeah, I put it on.
Yeah.
Oh, Dada got it already. Okay, good. Okay.
There you go, man. The other one.
Hold on.
They got toys. Might want to hand them toys while they're there.
Okay. Give me the umbrella. How many umbrella we have here?
The other one's in the back.
Oh, bring that here. The other umbrella. Oh, it's okay. Oh, basa pala yung payong. Okay lang kasi nga. Ayan mga kaibigan ang magbiyahe. Daming mga stroller. Pag may anak, hala, sige. Dalang payong. Oh, may extra payong dito. Ito yung payong para kay Chris malaki. I empty this bottle. Hold on. There's one more plate right there, babe. Yung plato na nilagyan ng pagkain, babe, the key, kasi siya na may want na.
Yeah, that's why I brought them. I got 3 of the 4. So
Okay.
it's much heavier.
Okay. Can you hand me the hand sanitizer, please?
Where is it?
The small one, the small.
Where?
Next to it, that one thing. Goy, for your hand.
Hi.
Ayan.
Is that her channel?
Mag-hand sanitizer tayo. Kay ano, dami nating hinawakan. Okay, grabe yung mga tao dito, oh. Sus. Ayan. Dami pa rin tao.
Alright, I gotta try to get it.
Okay. Okay, dok. Lalakas ng ulan pa rin.
Oh, these.
Oh. From the ano. Kishana, how's the Mickey Mouse?
There's no Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it's Toy Story.
Your Mickey Mouse.
And Minnie Mouse.
Oh, Minnie Mouse, can you fix your head? Fix your hair like that. This is si Minnie Mouse. Oh. Minnie Mouse is agoy-agoy at si Junior. Uwi na si Junior, mga kaibigan. Oh. Uwi na siya kay tapos na siyang gumala. Finish the ano at finish the vacation ha. Finish the vacation ha.
Yep.
Si CJ, nakatuwa si CJ. Malaki na si Junior, oh, buyag. Alis na kami dito dahil ano, linggo na, uwian na.
My toy.
What toys?
Yeah.
It's nasa bag. Gusto mo? Kishana, nasa bag. Gusto mo? Mamaya na. Nasa bag lahat. Nasa lahat yung ano ni Kishana. Yung mga toys niya na mga souvenir. Maulan dito ngayon, susko, nakakaantok. So ito yung property ng ano no, Walt Disney. Walt Disney mga kaibigan, napakalawak yung lugar.
Take a slight right turn to merge onto State Road 474.
Ayan. Ang lawak-lawak ng lugar dito. So nasa ano talaga ito. Wala ditong mga nakatira. Ayan yung mga ano yan. Sila ang nagmamayari. How many acres is this?
Oh, I don't even know.
Ito yung
I think they're more
pinakamalaki.
than 20,000 acres, Disney World.
Grabe no? More than 20,000. Hectares. Hectares pala. So, nasa pinakano to, pinakamalayo. Sa Orlando pala to mga kaibigan. Pauwi na kami sa amin.
What are we now?
Shoutouts mga kababayan natin na mga nanonood ngayon. Leonora Carpio. Ingat. Thank you po. Safe drive. Evangeline Umay. Frizel Castor. Thank you. Ingat sa biyahe. Richelle Lakaran. Is it raining by us?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Umuulan daw sa amin. Maganda kasi nga yung aking mga halaman ba. Yung mga halaman ko doon, oh, there is a big thing in there, babe.
McDonald's.
Is that a store?
It's a McDonald's restaurant.
Oh. That's a big one, huh?
I think they have the largest one in world's largest McDonald's in Orlando. That might be it. There's another one though too. I'm
Oh.
not sure if that's the one or the other one. That's a big one though.
Yeah, I thought it's a big building. So they're okay to put in there?
They pay rent.
Oh, okay. That's the only one, huh?
Inside the property, yeah.
I know.
There's another one that I've seen. I've been to. Big. They have pizza and stuff too.
Overeating.
Ha?
Overeating.
Uwi na tayo.
Why?
Uwi na tayo sa bahay. Bakit? Ayaw mo umuwi? Christiana, ayaw mo umuwi? Gusto mo dito, dito ka lang? Dito ka lang? Magnanap na yan si CJ ngayon. Tulog na yan, oh. Buyag na, ang laki na. Bilis ng panahon, mga kaibigan. Si Agoy-Agoy ay, ano na, very behave yan si Agoy-Agoy at si CJ. Ayan, Goy, oh, babay na sa entrance. Here, the entrance where your dreams do come true. The magic. Yan yung entrance, mga kaibigan. O, yan.
For Disney.
Where your dreams... Ito to?
Disney World Resorts.
The most magical place on earth pala. The most magical place on earth.
Bye-bye.
Ha?
Can I say bye-bye?
Say
Yeah.
bye-bye. Turn around.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, Mickey. Minnie.
Not Minnie. Not Minnie. That's Mickey Mouse.
You're not Mickey Mouse. You're Minnie Mouse. You're wearing Minnie Mouse.
No.
Mommy, quit picking on her.
No.
Ayaw niyang ayaw umuwi ni Siana. Gusto niya dito. Sos, grabe.
Look at that place, how big it is.
Yeah.
That's where we stayed last time, Christiana. Remember there? Where we go do the ice. That's where the ice.
I want to go back there.
Yeah.
I want to go.
You want to go there now?
Yep.
We can't. Sorry. It's raining.
Elizabeth Abakita, grabe ang lakas ng ulan kahapon. Sus ko. Ang daming mga tao ay, alam nyo mga kaibigan, ang
Next time.
sus ko, talagang hindi talaga natin malaman yung
Oh, ice is not
panahon.
there now. Ice is not.
Walang ice na, natunaw na, Goy.
That won't be back till November.
Stay in the second
Ang daming mga ano pa naman, mga taong taga saan,
Yeah, ice is
taga
closed.
saang lugar.
November it comes back when it's cold. Till January, I think. January 31st.
February.
Sana'y hindi ito
February
siponin itong ano, pag-uwi.
Yep.
Kasi nga,
That's not
Stay in the
ice.
second
napaka-ulan.
That's not ice.
No.
Which one are ice? I want to find ice. Where is it?
Kawawa yung mga ano doon, mga naligo sa ulan ba? Kahit anong suot ng gamit ng payong at saka yung mga raincoat, ay mabasa ka pa rin. O, yung sapatos, basa. Is your shoes got wet yesterday?
Go past this light, then use the right lane to take a slight right turn.
Babe,
No.
your shoes was fine?
Yeah.
Oh,
That umbrella.
yeah, but that's still... Ano, hindi kasi kami masyadong gumagala-gala doon. Hapdi lang hapdi lang. Hapdi lang kami doon kay kahapon. Kasi ang lakas na ng ulan eh. Hindi na bumalik. Ang dami namang nasasakyan nila. Mamaritis Galinato, saan ka sa California? May nakilala akong taga California kahapon from Springville. Is it Springville? What is town in California that start with letter S? Sunnyvale? Yun ano ba yun? Ingat kayo mga kaibigan, magbabay na kami kay on the road na. Oh, may nasirang sasakyan doon. Oh.
There's the
Mhm.
Palm Springs?
The what?
Does that sound right? Palm Springs?
No, it start with letter S.
Sacramento?
No, Springville, I think.
I've never heard of
3
it.
miles.
Ah, okay.
Central Florida Greenway.
Germany. Shout out sa mga kabayan natin sa Germany, si Ma'am Lenny Frey.
Look, Mommy, Daddy.
Ano yan?
Not working.
Not working?
Okay, I'm gonna need that back. Go ahead and get it working, but alright.
I think that's over. Hold on, guy. I'm gonna start over.
Hey.
I'll start over. Bye mga kaibigan. God bless. Maraming salamat po. Shout kay Ma'am Maria Luz
Wait a
Story.
second.
Hold on, guy. Still working.
It's broken.
No,
Hindi.
it'll work.
In 2 miles.
Is it working now?
Onto Central Florida Greenway.
Okay. Yeah, it's working now. Tulog na yan si Jim.
Are you asleep?
Na yan. Bye po.